Hey, okay, this is what I feel like right now. This is Pinky. If you know, Pinky is my favorite little guy. He hangs out with me, literally hangs out with me. And I kind of feel like Pinky this morning. I wanted to pop up, but my washer was washing, and so I didn't want the background noise, so I waited. So then I went in the house, and I started doing this and started doing that. And then my husband says, "Aren't you going to go do a pop-up?" Oh, yeah. So I started, and then got a text, and oh my gosh. So this is what I'm like right now. Ah! Finally, I said, "I'm going to go take a shower." And Ken says, "I thought you were going to do a pop-up." So I just threw myself out here to do the pop-up. So yesterday was open house. Great success. Love all my customers and friends downline, everybody that comes. Always love them. Hi, Carol. And so they got to make this as their make and take, and they all loved it so much. I mean, they loved it. It is a great card. So I wanted to share with you, after using this and looking around my shop with all the samples I have with this darling bundle, Sweet Candy Cane, I remembered that, and I was cleaning up and I saw these. I remember that at one of my lives, I had these scraps, and I was saying, I bet you that can make something cute. So I decided this morning that I was going to make something cute with it. Plus, I had all kinds of scraps laying around that we didn't need, or I had cut and didn't use, and I don't want to waste them. So these are the layering circle dies, and the Sweet Candy Cane. I don't know if that's the name of it. Let me look. Sweet Christmas Designer Series paper that goes with this collection. Evening Evergreen cardstock. And white cardstock. So evening evergreen is the scallops, white cardstock, evening evergreen, and then the Christmas DSP that goes with the candy cane collection. Then at open house, I encourage, and most of them did it, for them when they make their candy canes to place the designer series paper on cardstock. It just gives them a lot more stability, and so most chose to do that. And so I started thinking, the designer series paper has the patterns, and you can cut them out. It has the candy canes on them, and you can cut them out. You know what I'm talking about, right? So this is the designer series paper, and you cut out 2, and then you put your dies on there, and you cut out 2 candy canes. Well, I was hoping that you guys, and then we have the stamp, that you can stamp more candy canes and cut out. But I was hoping that when you had thought of this, but just in case you didn't, when you have scrap cardstock left over, throw your candy canes on that as well and cut out more candy canes. So there's just candy canes for days with this paper and the stamp set and everything. So that's one of the things I wanted to point out. Probably everybody's like, duh, yeah, Bev, we know that. But just in case, sometimes, what's right in front of us, we don't grasp. So I love these little circles. And then I started saying to myself, I'm going to take my scrap DSP and cut out some candy canes. Then I said to myself, I need to share that with my buddies, and you guys are all my buddies. So that's what I'm doing. So I'm putting 2 of them together with a dimensional. And there's, hey, Kathleen. And there starts a cute little cluster. Woo! Okay. Also on my desk was from the frame florets, the sprig. And the sprig, it's endless. The sprig is just, you can just do so much with this sprig. And I thought the white kind of brought a chill to the air. So I am going to throw, I'm making this for the first time. It's just a bunch of, hi Louise, a bunch of scraps like I'm saying. Where do I want that? Okay, I'm going to put ribbon there. So I'm going to imagine that's going to look good with a mini glue dot. Look how crisp that looks. Then I had a bunch of these, and these were both from my thank you card that I sent out to my customers for their orders in October. It's just making everything look kind of clean, crisp, a little snowy. I don't know, snow came to my mind as I put these white sprigs there. So if you haven't got your thank you card yet and you ordered from me, there's a reason. Some of them I handed out at open house, those people that came yesterday, and a stack of them, a stack of them, came back to me yesterday saying, not enough postage. I don't get it. They're not that thick. So I'm going to take them to the post office and add what's needed to be added to that. So that's why you haven't got them yet. I was so stinking proud of myself because I had literally sent them out on Halloween, I think it was. So a day early for me. And then they come back. I have to go to the post office anyway. I've got a package to send to my cousin. It's all falling into place with the scraps. It is. And that's what I was telling the ladies yesterday. I don't care what designer series paper you pick from this pack. You just throw it together with this card, maybe just dot stripes and stripes, but anything else, all the colors, the sweet sorbet, I didn't realize what a darn cute red that is. A reddish pink. It's just like sorbet, just sweet. I just love it. And so I have to order another couple of packs because I used up my whole pack for the make and take. And this sweet made me fall in love with that color. So, look at this. All right. Then I ran out of my elements, those wooden elements that I put on this card. I ran out of those, so I'm going to order more of those today too. And so when I run out of things and I'm creating, I start to look around and see what else can add to dropped it, to the look I'm going for. And this look is killing me, Smalls. It's killing me. So pretty. So these are the gold holly leaves. I believe one of my customers made a little mistake yesterday and she wanted to cover it up. She was a little disappointed. She's all, oh, darn it. Now, I'll just take it home and figure it out. I said, no. Come on, let's fix it right now so you can go home happy. And we grabbed these. And that's what made me realize how stinking cute these gold leaves. And the little upscale change it makes. Hi, Carol. So that was kind of serendipity there to help her out, and then it just made me fall in love with these with this bundle. So I had to grab more of our designer series paper that's in the pack. Oh no, this is in the Florets pack. That's the other thing I'm so happy with. So happy how those just marry together. How those just marry together. It could be a wart, Halloween wart. So anyway, love it. So I grabbed the evergreen cardstock, and even though this is garden green, look how good it still looks with the evergreen green. It's not easy being green. Oh my gosh, I need to go take my shower. I'm getting corny. So had so much fun, believe it or not. Yes, had so much fun cleaning up my little make and take table. Because, when I clean up, everybody offers to help me clean up. They're so sweet. And honestly, coming out here is my little place to calm and relax and everything. So I say, no, thank you for offering. Jean, you're one that offered to help me clean up. I can come out here, and you know what I do when I'm cleaning up, putting things away, I literally visualize my guests who were sitting where and what we discussed and the laughter and the new friendships. We had 2 new people here yesterday. Ruth, who has joined my team. She's 3rd in my line now. She signed up under Annie. She's going to, well, they're friends already, so she's just going to get closer with Annie, and Annie's so special and sweet. She's just going to love it. So she was new. And then Viola. Viola's a new customer. She happens to live about a mile from me, just around back. There's a school about a quarter of a mile away from me. I live in the middle of our complex in a cul-de-sac. And if you go around to the outskirts of our area, there's a school back there, and she lives on the other side of that school. So we're really, really close. And she was new, and just so much fun getting to know both of them and everybody else, welcoming them. I mean, Eva showed Viola around. Here's where her garage sale stuff is. This is how, these cards are for sale. On and on and on. Everybody's so helpful. A few ladies couldn't come yesterday because they had other scheduled events or obligations. So we missed them, but that's okay. Can't come every single month, right? So what do you guys think about this card? I think it's cute, and literally the only thing that wasn't laying here on my table were the gold leaves and the red ribbon. So, grab up your scraps. Just start with the cluster. See what it looks like, and then put it on a base. Maybe even put it on a fun fold. I don't know. Okay, here's the bottom line. Stampin' Up! Product is just so darn awesome. Pretty much can't go wrong, right? Pretty much can't go wrong. So I wanted to share, I'm glad, Jean. I wanted to share what kind of card you can make just using leftovers. The leftovers were the white cardstock for underneath the candy canes, the circles that I had laying, the sprigs that I had laying around, and on this piece of cardstock that I had, or DSP that I had laying behind me. So just put them all together, and we've got another great card. I used the framed and festive stamp set. I love these Christmas sentiments, and remember that this is not going to be in the new catalog, so it's just going to be around for a little while. So if you really like happy sentiments of all kinds for the holidays, you want to grab this set. All right, now I'm going to go take my shower and get things done that I wanted to get done. But Ken kept reminding me, you want to go be with your friends for a minute, go be with your friends. And so here we are. Thanks for coming. I will see you later. Bye-bye.